That's a very weird looking car, right? Welcome back guys, today I spotted for you 3 different brand new Lamborghinis Huracán Sterrato. So why don't we begin from the first one? It seems to have a matte silver body, bronze wheels and the optional roof bars. Yeah, looking pretty good, but then here is an old friend of mine, the first ever Huracán Sterrato to get spotted on the road. I mean, this thing here must have so many miles already. Okay, here they come back together. But hey, I promised you 3 Sterratos, right? So here is a brand new one leaving the factory. This one has a matte dark grey spec with the optional Sterrato livery and some very basic red calipers over the blacked out wheels. That's alright, I guess.